Welcome back, everyone. I hope you all had a great weekend, and I hope you were able to spend some time outdoors this weekend, as it definitely felt like spring outside. We had mostly sunny skies, and high temperatures were in the 50s and the 60s for most of us. In Great Falls, we actually tied a record high temperature on Saturday with a high of 65. But winter, wanted to remind you that it's not done yet. Temperatures right now are currently in the 30s in most locations, so it is chilly outside compared to the temperatures that we had over the weekend. Right now, it's about 15 to 30 degrees colder than it was 24 hours ago. To go along with the colder temperatures, there's also been some wind around today, especially in locations east of I-15. There has been snow around today as well. In the Great Falls Clinic ICAM, it has been snowing for most of today. Now, since it is March, we do have a higher sun angle, and since it has been warm here of late, the snow primarily has just been accumulating on grassy surfaces. Roads right now are just wet, but with wet roadways and temperatures dropping below freezing tonight, that moisture is going to freeze. So roads are going to be slick tonight as well as tomorrow morning, so please be careful when driving. There has been widespread light to moderate snow around within north central Montana for the past several hours, and we're still seeing that widespread light to moderate snow right now. Even had a little bit of rain and freezing rain in spots with the onset of precipitation, but right now most locations are just seeing snow. As we go through this evening and the first half of tonight, we will continue to have widespread light to moderate snow around all throughout north central Montana. Once we get towards about midnight, that's when that snow will begin to taper off. Initially along the high line, but after midnight, that's when the snow will begin to taper off for everyone else. By tomorrow morning, most of that snow will be out of here. A couple lingering snow showers are possible tomorrow morning. Most locations will be dry, though. We'll start off with overcast skies, but the skies will clear out as the day goes on, so we will see some sunshine, especially as we get into tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. And then we'll have increasing clouds as we head into tomorrow night, with a few rain and sun showers possible late tomorrow night and Wednesday, as another disturbance works its way through our area. A winter weather advisory is in effect for portions of central Montana, including Cascade County, Judith Basin County, Fergus County, the Big Belt Mountains, and the Little Belt Mountains through tomorrow morning. This is where 1 to 5 inches of total snow accumulation is expected. And taking a look at how much additional snow accumulation you can expect through lunchtime tomorrow. For most of us in north central Montana, less than 2 inches of additional snow accumulation is expected through lunchtime tomorrow. However, there will be a few spots, especially within Fergus County, Judith Basin County, and Cascade County, where we could potentially receive up to 3, maybe even 4 inches of additional snow accumulation as we go through tonight. Same thing in Hayes, we may receive 1 to 4 inches of additional snow accumulation on top of what we've already received. Tonight, low temperatures are going to be in the 20s for a lot of us, and snow will begin to accumulate on the roadways once the sun does set, and any moisture on the roadways will freeze overnight tonight with temperatures below freezing. So if you are traveling anywhere tonight, be prepared for slick roads, and when you head to work and school tomorrow morning, give yourself some extra time to get there, as roads are going to be slick throughout much of north central Montana. It is going to be another cool day tomorrow with highs in the 30s and the lower 40s, but we start to warm up as we head into Wednesday with highs in the upper 30s and low to mid 40s in most spots. Heading into Thursday, we'll have partly cloudy skies and a high of 40 in Great Falls. Mostly sunny and close to 50 on Friday, and then this weekend it will be mild with highs in the 50s, but it is also going to be windy.